Ooh, there she goes. Not going past 90.
She's up.
She's up 87, 89. And down she goes.
There we go. Side number 2. Complete. For the most part, I'm just going to put a rubber grommet in this hole, but I don't mind my lens. It's scratched and pitted. So that's going to come down. That should be good. Brake line's nice and tight. This is in. Almost ready to test. So, what I didn't realize, I don't know if I explained this in another video, but what I didn't realize was that the gauges for the dashboard are actually 1/8 NPT instead of 1/4 inch. So I have to get an adapter to go from 1/4 to 8, and then I'll be able to put them on the bottom of that 4. I might maybe switch it the other way so the sensors are up and all the wires are kind of up, and I can make a nice loom to go out of there. I am going to tee off of this, I believe, and then have the other ones go through there. This could be the supply. We shall see. So compressor's going to come in. We're going to have a filter and the pressure switch for the pumps. And then perhaps after that, we can go over there. I'm not quite sure. Maybe I'll just pipe that out into here, and that will just have a gauge, and I'll have one supply line from a T going into here. This way it's just going to keep it simple. I don't really want to make a huge mess, but I'd like to have a gauge in here to see what's in the tank. And then these sensors will tell me how much each bag has. So that should be fun. Very cool. I like the blue spaghetti. That's quite nice. And maybe if this stuff works out pretty good, I'd like to run the same color stuff to the front, but I do have some black I'll probably try out and get it going. It's not as flexible as this stuff. This stuff is like a really rubbery nylon, which is nice. I think it might last a little longer than the hard plastic stuff, but either way, airline's airline, I think. I mean, it's pretty inexpensive stuff. And yeah, I got the grommet in that side, and we'll get going. Well, the camera's rolling now. Okay, I brought some backup. We're gonna do some fun stuff. Now we're gonna get these lines on. I couldn't do it myself because I'm just not smart enough. So what you see here is some solenoids. And each of these are gonna control each wheel. We've got 4 wheels. So this is going to go in here, as I stated before. I got some lines run for the back tires. We don't have the front ones wired up yet or air lined up. But we do have sensors for each. We're going to block off stuff that we don't have. For instance, the front tires we're going to block and block. And we're going to do some Ys coming out of here. And this is going to get bolted in there. Man, it's going to be good. So, we'll let Emily do her thing. Now, before you do that, let's see if we can find a wrench that fits that instead. Just because those can slip. So down in here in the third drawer. Third drawer.
1, 2, 3.
Third drawer down from the big one. Sorry. And you want to use probably a metric, so like something like a 15, probably work on there. Where's all the tools at? Oh, there isn't a 15 over there. It's a 17. Try that. See if it fits all snug like. No, size bigger. But you're going to want to take this nipple off too.
I know, but I gotta start somewhere.
Right, start. Anyway, so what we're doing, okay, is...
How come you more than 117?
I have lots of 17s. No, 18. Excuse me. So, we test fitted everything the other day. We put Teflon tape and screwed it all together. Now what we're going to do is use some of this plumber's tape, or sorry, this... What we're going to use is this pipe thread sealer, which is liquid. And, what does Wilder say?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Right.
Oh, which I'm going. That's right.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh,
She was really excited to do this. Are you ready to work now? I said, yeah, let's go work now.
Gotta get to bed by 9:30. I'm just being in the way now. Here we have something grounded here. This guy. I'm gonna stand over here. Away from the explosive area. Why do you need more?
So I'm wiring the two wheels together because I don't want to wire up two more switches right now.
Ah.
So we're going to do left and right at the same time.
Okay.
two exhausts, two releases the same, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I think that was
Green.
green.
It was white and green.
Yes. White is the control wire. It's too bad. Why did it have to start leaking? Huh?
Well, there's no way to test it till it's done. It's quite the fancy tool.
It is. Works very well. Just wire these together. And tape them together. Ah, yoy. Motherfucker.
Did it shock you?
Nope.
Oh, it's burning.
Yeah.
What's burning?
The wires touch together. Whoops.
Oh no.
We have fire. Oh, fuck.
Stop.
Okay. That's okay. Live for your enjoyment. So there isn't much insulation on this tape. Pretty thin stuff, I guess. We'll just... Disgusting. Might need another Band-Aid. Yeah, he's standing far away.
If I could get further, I'd go further.
And then... maybe we'll cut some of that out. It's fine. It's fine. Did I ever tell you the first car stereo I ever installed? I set the car on fire.
Oh my god. That's...
It was many, many, many years ago.
Uh-huh.
Actually, I was 17.
Okay.
I had a job in a junkyard. And I wired the positive and negative from the battery with a piece of speaker wire. And ran it around the door, around the windshield, into the dashboard. Had it all tucked nice away. Didn't use any tape. And I put the stereo in the dash and drove, and the whole thing in the whole
Oh my god.
dash caught fire. And I was like, I got into the car, and like it was fried. The car was just fried.
Yee. Okay, so
we have
yeah.
where are we at?
96, 94, 97, 96, 95, 0.
Okay, we're ready.
Ready? Gonna open the garage so I can get further back here. Super wide. Oh, there she goes. We're not going past 90.
She's up.
She's up 87, 89. And down she goes.
A lot higher and there's no weight on the back here.
Well, that makes sense, yeah. So when the gas tank's full.
Yeah.
But then you'll also have 4 shocks.
Yeah, but that's just for the front. The other two. You have
Cool.
the engine to the left.
Okay, we'll see. Ooh, this jack stand is not doing good.
Oh, that's not bad. It's fast though. Oh my jeez.
Are you? Oh boy. Mm-hmm. This is.
Didn't even lift it?
A little bit. It's trying. Let's give him the good old college try. Oh.
Damn.
But we're not gonna have that much weight on the back.
How much do you think a full tank of gas weighs?
Not a clue.
200 pounds?
Really?
Plus I got speakers and all the other shit that's coming back in the back here.
Well. We'll figure something out. Bigger airlines. So we're at basically we're starting an inch off each square.
1 inch?
Yeah. Oh, I have no clue what.
What do you have now? What's the number?
2 inches.
2 inches?
I thought it moved more. It moved an inch.
If it was this easy, everybody would do it, right? See?
Mm-hmm.
Well,